The next one is more likely for myself, only because I've had trucks for a while. This is our first glimpse at the new F-150 Lightning from Ford. I was a little disappointed with the look that we got here because it's really one angle. And you were like, no, I was behind Biden. It was a thing that happened. And I was like, oh, cool, show me. And then you're like, that's all I can show. And I was like, oh, man, I want to see more of it. But anyway, I have a F-150 right now. I have the old model of the truck on the right, the Raptor. And I would love to upgrade actually to the new one of that. But if it were electric and even faster, that might be even cooler if they could do such a thing. They're going to do this Lightning model first. Now, if you don't follow Ford trucks at all, they had a product by the name of Lightning once upon a time. It's like a street truck, a fast truck with a performance tilt to it as opposed to an off-road tilt to it. And that looks kind of like what they're showing off here today in the form of their first electric truck. It has this light bar along the front and a slightly different shape to it, but ultimately it looks like the new F-150, just futurized ever so slightly. It's going to be the first. Now, you know, the F-150 will, very, very big selling vehicle. Huge selling vehicle. You look at the numbers at any given time, could be number one. It could be number one in the United States for vehicles sold. So, like, very important vehicle for Ford, very important vehicle for the automotive sector in general. And once it goes electric, well, you see where that goes. You get a lot more vehicles converted to electric more quickly.
But they're going to still make the gas version, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, the gas model is still going to be out there and presumably quite a bit cheaper. I'm sure this Lightning is going to cost a few dollars. That's not real. That's a concept. That's not real. You can't put in a convertible truck. Well, you can't do such a thing. It's not allowed. Maybe you could. I don't know. How about this? The F-150 Lightning will be able to power your home during an outage. Nice big battery in there. Hook it up. You got to like that. And it's quicker than the original F-150 Lightning performance truck, so I'm not surprised by that either. It'll have over-the-air updates. Anyway, they're talking a big game. Ford's going electric. They got to look at the American flag behind. They have Biden over there.
Yeah, this is the most American image here. You got trucks and the flag.
Yeah. That'd be an easy buy for me. Honestly, if right now they're like, okay, here's the Lightning, I'll take my Raptor and trade it. Actually, if they gave me just the new Raptor, I'll take it and trade it right away. That's easy for me right there.
Really?
It's just comfortable. Like, I know about it. I feel like I'm going to have one for a while. I don't know where this Cybertruck is. I will look at the Rivian too, but where are they? It's everything seems so far away. It seemed like with these guys, at least it happens when they say it's going to happen. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
I don't know. I just had Ford trucks in the past, but I still got that Cybertruck order. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens with that.